How to fix flash on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will see how we can fix if your flash is not working on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Snapchat in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to the top right corner. There is a flash icon. Make sure that it is toggled on. Tap on the flash icon and toggle it on if it is off. Now you can check for the flash. If that still does not help you, then make sure that your application is updated. So in order to see the updates, you have to open a Play Store in your device. Hit towards the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar you have to search for Snapchat, and if there is update available, you will see update button. Tap on update, and once the update is complete, go back and check whether the flash is working properly or not. If still not, now you can clear cache of your Snapchat application. For that, you can open up Snapchat again. Tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner, and here tap on the settings icon. Once here, now scroll down, and under account action there is an option as clear cache. Tap on it, and here tap on continue. Wait for a while until your application cache is cleared. Once it is cleared, now you can go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If that still does not help you, then restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix camera or any other flash issue. So in this way you can fix if your flash is not working on Snapchat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.